Hey friends, if you wish to fix Kernelbase.dll error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to re-register the kernelbase.dll file. So the command is regsvr32 kernelbase.dll, and it's actually similar for any DLL file. You just have to change the name of the file. Now hit enter and it will register it if required. In my case, it is already registered. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.